Okay, guys, welcome back. Now let's take a look at this GBP USD. So before we get started, if you're not subscribed, make sure you click on that subscribe button, like and share. Now take a look at this GBP USD, right? We actually predicted that we would be expecting a drop on our GBP USD for the day, which is on the 21st, right? Now we've actually had this drop, right? I know the next thing you'll be asking is that what movement are we going to be making? Well, I personally, I would want to tell you that I don't think the drop is over. Yes, we had a drop today, but is the drop over? Well, I don't think so. I still believe a drop is still coming. More drop is still coming. Now we are going to analyze it, and I will tell you why I say such a thing. Now, if you take a look at the foot trend on this GBP USD, you clearly can see that this is actually a bullish move, right? Our GBP is giving us a bullish momentum against our USD, right? One, we can clearly see that we've added our moving average, which is 10 period moving average. By the way, we all know the rules of trading this moving average is that once the price is above the moving average, this is a buy. We have to go long. So we clearly analyze that we'll be expecting a bullish move. We saw a bullish move here, which we had, right? This will be as an impulse move. Here will be the correction on GBP to USD, right? And here again is the impulse move that broke this previous highs. And here comes the correction on GBP USD. And now we've had a new impulse move highs. And guess what are we talking about? What do we expect next? We are expecting another correction, right? So this is exactly what we are having on the daily time frame. We are on a correction move. I personally still would want to see this correction actually come to take a level of 1.17. We're currently trading at 1.18, right? 1.18, 196 or whatever you want to see it, but it is a level of 1.18. We would be expecting this GBP USD to drop to a level of 1.17 before it can even before you can consider to go up. Even possibly it can even break below it and drop further down. So this GBP USD, the drop is not over though. So have it in mind, we'll still be expecting a drop. Let's see if we can have a drop to around 1.17. So at least by that time, we should be able to take out this loose price as testing here. If price can come here, possibly if price now drops further, then we should be able to take a level of 1.16. So we are still expecting a drop to a level of 1.17 and a level of 1.16. So have that in mind. Like I said, we've once to be able to determine if our pullback is over, we would once again add our Fibonacci retracement, which we once we did previously, right? We actually did our Fibonacci retracements, right? We predicted that our price will be dropping, right? And it actually dropped. Is the drop over? Definitely we can see it is not over. If this drop is to be made, we should be able to see it drop to a level of 23.6 percentage. That is a level of 1.17. Like I just talked about, we would still want to see a further drop on GBP USD at least to a level of 23.6. That is a level of 1.17 that we are all talking about. And secondly, if price can break further down, right, then we should be able to take out this level price has tested to previously, which is a level of 1.16. So have that in mind. GBP USD retracement is not yet over. A retracement is still coming, and possibly that retracement should be able to come and, if possible, break below this moving average. Who knows how it will play out? Let's see. It drops further, tap the moving average, break it a little bit before we consider to go up. So if you want to take this trade, right, let's see what this 4-hour time frame says. So we would want to place this trade on the 4-hour time frame. So we clearly consider this price as once reacted here. We saw it reacted here, right? Let's see it drops further to come to this level, which is a level of 1.17. Like I just said, maybe there we can now consider to go long, and we would take this as possibly ranging markets move on the 4-hour time frame. We can now consider this as a ranging markets move on the 4-hour time frame. So wait for the price to drop to a level of 1.17. Then you can now go long and take out this ice. If price breaks above it, then we would go long with the price and move further up. And if in case price comes to this level and it drops again, then we have no other option than to trade with it. We have no other option than to range with the market move. First of all, like I said, let a little bit of a drop should be made to 1.17. Then we would now take the buy straight up to take out this resistance level on our 4-hour time frame. If price breaks above it, then we will go long with it, and if price rejects and drops further, then we have no other option than to trade with it by selling it. So we would want to trade what we see and not what we think. And now let's see what this 1-hour time frame says, by the way. So clearly we can see that this price is dropping on the 4-hour time frame, right? So you will see that the drop on the 1-hour time frame is not yet over. So let's see it drops for that down to take out these lows before we consider to go long on GBP USD for the day.